Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Respironics SimplyGo. So first we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your package. As you can tell, this is not the original packaging. This is just a replacement box that we have for now. So you will get your cannula. And then we have your accessories. Your battery. Your manual. Your DC power supply. And your AC power supply. You will also get a carry case. Comes with a travel cart. The unit itself. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up the Respironics SimplyGo for first time use. First, we are going to install the battery. It just slides into the back compartment, just like this. Then it slides directly into the carry case. And then, to attach it to the travel cart, open this up, set it on, and Velcro it back up. And then you just attach the cannula right up front. Now it is ready to turn on. So to power on the SimplyGo, you're just going to press the power button twice. Now, currently it is on a pulse flow setting. It does pulse flow from 1 to 6. It also goes up in half settings on the pulse. To go up, you simply press the plus button, and to go down, simply press the minus button. To switch from pulse to continuous, you're going to press this M, and it will show the waves, meaning it is now on continuous flow. And it does up to 2 liters on a continuous setting. To go up, press the plus. To go down, press the minus. There is also a sleep setting where you can use the pulse flow in a sleep setting. Most people do just use the continuous flow. There is also an alarm button to silence any alarms that you may have. To turn off the unit, simply press the power button twice. The SimplyGo is 10 inches high, 6 inches in depth, and 11.5 inches wide. The SimplyGo Mini weighs in at 10 pounds. It has a pulse setting of 1 to 6. It also has a continuous flow setting of 0.5 to 2 liters per minute continuous. On a setting of 2 on the pulse, you will get up to 3 hours of battery life. On a setting of 2 on continuous flow, you will get just under an hour of battery life. You can purchase additional batteries if you need more battery life, and you can also use it while it is plugged into the AC and DC power supply. This unit is great for people who need both pulse and continuous flow. It's very compact and easy to carry around. It does have the carry case with the shoulder strap, or you can also put it on the travel cart to pull behind you. It is CPAP and BiPAP compatible on the continuous flow settings, and it also has sleep mode technology that you can use with the pulse flow to deliver a soft pulse throughout the night. If you'd like to see how the Respironics SimplyGo compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to visit our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak with one of our respiratory specialists so we can help find the best portable oxygen concentrator for you.